Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Pallavi Ram. I'm an associate dentist at Dental Planet, and here we have Dr. Avinash BS, who is the principal dentist at Dental Planet. Today we are going to talk about Invisalign. Invisalign is an alternate to the normal braces, which is used to correct our teeth alignment, that is either crowding or malalignment. Welcome, sir. So, can we start with today's question? Okay. What is Invisalign?
Fine. Before talking about Invisalign, let's briefly talk about what is braces and why is it required. As you know, many of them have crooked teeth, either it is crowded or there are spacing between the teeth. Many such abnormalities what we see. What happens is people who have this, when they smile, it doesn't look very good. Though they say beauty lies in the eyes of beholder, it's not pleasant always. So to correct that one, we conventionally use something called as braces, wherein we use most of you would have seen that there will be metal brackets kind of thing placed on the teeth and wire, and those things needs to be tightened every month or once in 2 months. We do that one. That is conventional way of treating. There are some disadvantages with those braces. So in order to overcome that one, the newer treatment option is Invisalign, wherein these are clear braces, which when patient wears that one, it will not be seen.
Okay. So another question which comes to their mind is, since you said that wires are not used, so how exactly does Invisalign work?
So what happens here is we'll get a set of aligners. So let's say 1 to 10, each aligner will be numbered. So when the patient or when an individual wears this one, so first, let's say they're wearing the first set. There will be some amount of movement which will happen with this first set. This we may ask them to wear for a few days, maybe 10 days, 15 days or 20 days, depending on the condition of the patient. And then they'll be wearing the next set. So instead of tightening the wires every month, they'll be changing these aligners every 15 to 20 days. Okay. So at the end of their last tray, the treatment would be complete. The teeth would have moved from one position to another position.
Okay. So is this process painful? Is Invisalign treatment painful?
Definitely not, because you will not be wearing anything on the teeth. Like nothing is permanently fixed on the teeth. Okay. Only discomfort what may be seen is when they wear it for the first time. The teeth moves. Obviously, when the teeth are moving, there will be some amount of discomfort for 1 or 2 days. Okay, it's not definitely pain. It's just some sort of discomfort, which is temporary.
Okay. And how long is the treatment duration?
The treatment duration depends on the complexity of the case. Let's say if they have lot of crowding and most of their teeth has to be moved, on an average, it may take around 8 to 10 months, or sometimes it may go up to 20 months. Okay, depending on the case.
So it is different for every.
Yes, it's different for every case, but on an average, any Invisalign treatment would take around 5 months to 10 months.
Okay. So it's comparatively lesser than the.
Yes, it is definitely lesser than the conventional treatment, because conventional treatment, if I have to compare with conventional treatment, it would take at least 60% of the time. Like let's say if it is taking 10 months in conventional treatment, with Invisalign it would get over in 6 months.
Okay. So how often should they visit the dentist for the treatment?
Unlike the conventional treatment wherein they have to visit every month, for Invisalign they need not have to visit regularly. We can give them instructions over the phone or over a video call. We can give them the instructions how to wear and just to see whether they're wearing it correctly or not. They'll have to just visit few times, 2 or 3 times before giving the aligners. Once they get the aligners, they need not have to actually visit the dentist, but we do call them once in 2 or 3 months just to see whether they're wearing it correctly or not. However, this is not mandatory. We have had many patients who were from abroad. They've got all the aligners and they've been wearing continuously. They've never visited after giving the aligners. Only they've visited only when the last aligner has been worn, and just for retention they would have come back.
And while they are wearing these aligners, will they have any problems like bleeding or irritation, gum irritation, or something like that? Will they have?
No. Unlike, again, I would like to compare with the conventional one. So when conventional braces are on, there is wear and there are braces. When these things are present, they would find it difficult to have their food. The food would get stuck, and also for brushing as well, it would be a little difficult
That is in the conventional.
in the conventional one. Okay. Whereas with the Invisalign, what happens is you can remove that one, it's removable. So you can remove, have your food, brush your teeth, just like how you do in normal circumstances, and then wear it back. Okay. So there's no question of more deposits collecting on the tooth or gum irritation. All these things can be reduced in Invisalign.
And how long should they wear it? Is there a fixed number of hours they should wear it in a day?
Yes, they should be wearing continuously. Only time when they have to remove that one is while brushing and eating. So on an average, at least 22 to 23 hours per day, they should be wearing. So if they wear that much of time, the treatment will be more effective and more faster.
So before the treatment, is there during the braces treatment, there is a necessity of tooth removal. So in Invisalign also, is it necessary?
Yes, tooth removal is usually required when there is no space for the teeth to be pulled back or to align. If there is no space, we do pull out few teeth. So that doesn't change for Invisalign. Even in Invisalign, if there is requirement for the space, we probably need to take out teeth in some cases. So there's no difference between the regular treatment and Invisalign treatment in this. Invisalign treatment does all the treatments which the regular treatment also does. All the movements which the other conventional treatment does, Invisalign also does the same.
And is there a specific age group who can undergo Invisalign treatment, or is it okay for all age groups?
This is a very important question. Usually the treatment starts at any orthodontic treatment. It should they say it should be done at a very younger age, after 13 years, 14 years, or 15, 16. Those are the time when they get to know that their teeth are crooked, and that is when usually the treatment starts. Invisalign also can be started at that time. For teenagers, we can start Invisalign. However, the advantage with Invisalign is even older individuals, like let's say 50, 60, they may realize that they want to improve their smile at later date. When they grow old, due to they might become conscious and they would want to look better. So even those people, those individuals who want to get treatment at a later age, Invisalign is the best option for them. And what happens is during that age, they would not want to wear the braces because it will be seen, and
the wires,
yes, they may not be comfortable in others knowing that they're wearing braces. In fact, it is more ideal for older age group patients.
And are there any food restrictions during this treatment?
Absolutely no food restrictions. You can continue to have whatever you're having without any hesitation.
Okay. So is there any way that we will know the end result, that is the outcome of the treatment, before starting the treatment?
Yes, that is again one of the biggest advantage with this Invisalign treatment. Before we start the treatment, we would know the outcome. We would know how the tooth would move and where the tooth would move, and also how the smile may look after the treatment is complete. So what we do is, before starting the treatment, there will be a scan, or we would take the impression and it would be fed to a software. That software, based on our assessment and our treatment plan, it would decide the tooth movement, and we would get to know how the teeth move. So patients can see their smile or the teeth position even before starting the treatment. So once we are satisfied and once the patients are satisfied about the treatment what we are going to do, only then we can go ahead and start getting the aligners manufactured. That's one of the biggest advantage of Invisalign. Okay. And one more addition what I would like to add is this September, till this September 30, 2020, we have an additional discount of rupees 15,000 for Invisalign in India. Okay, this is only up to 30th September 2020. Okay, so if anyone is interested, I'd like to ask them to contact us so that you can avail that 15,000 discount.
Okay, by this we have come to an end of our session. And if you have any more questions, you can comment on the video and ask us so that we can let you know how all the.
Yes, we'll definitely answer all the doubts which has been asked. You can either contact us on our phone number, or you can put in a comment over here. We'll definitely reply to all your comments. Thank you.